Hello guys, good morning from Dharamsala. So it's about 6:30 in the morning and the sun is just about to rise, as you can see. And today I'm leaving from here to Delhi and then Delhi to Gokarna. And I would take a drone shot of this beautiful sunrise, but unfortunately this thing happened to my drone. So let's see if I can fix it in Delhi, and hopefully I can fix it because I just need to replace the arm of it. And let's see, and see you on the road. Morning. Dauladhar tani. So we have just reached Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi, and as you can see, Tech Jug is with me, and we are booking Uber and going straight to repair my drone because we only have 1 day layoff. So yeah. हाँ जी, ये हम लोग लोकेशन पे आ गए ना, ये एटम्स के ड्रोन्स का। All good now, it's working. Take it away.
खींचे और इस तरह नाक और
Morning from Kudle beach.